Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. Sissy, what you got, Sissy? Oh, baby, fly down. Oh, that's too big, honey.
That's too big?
Yeah, you gotta get the smaller one. Uh-oh, dropped your tree. How'd that happen? Is there one on the floor underneath the table?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, well, you can play with the other ones because they'll fit. What happened to your bridge, honey? You took it apart?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then
You gonna rip it all apart, honey? You're gonna break it doing that. You're gonna break it, son. You're gonna break it doing that. You're breaking it. You're not gonna have it anymore if you break it. You do your thing, but you'll be.
Uh-oh. I got my baby.
Bye.